Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on IT Tutorials. I am Josef Botnar. In this video tutorial I'm going to talk about Eclipse IDE. This is an integrated development environment used to create a Java application. Also, you can use Eclipse IDE to create another type of applications like C, C++, PHP, and so on. But the purpose of this tutorial is to talk about Java. Therefore, I'm going to create a first application, a Java application using this Eclipse IDE. Also, this Eclipse IDE is an open source. That means is free, so you can use it free, and is very popular. It is a very good IDE, so have a look, have a try, and see if this IDE is suitable for you to create a Java application. In the last tutorial I have done a first Java application using IntelliJ IDE. I'm going to make my tutorials, my Java tutorials using IntelliJ IDE, but I thought it is a good idea to show you how you can use to make a Java application using other IDEs like Eclipse, NetBeans, and so on. So let's start. Launch the Eclipse IDE with a click on the shortcut. Here you go. Here, either you will give a click with the right side of the mouse here inside this Package Explorer. This menu will appear. Select New, and after select Java Project, and this you will meet this window after, or you can use the menu, go on the file, click, select New, and Java Project. Here you go. This will lead you to the same window. Here you write the name of your project. In my case, first app. Yeah, here I set default location for my Java application. It is about this folder lab_Java. As you can see, Eclipse added automatically this subfolder for my project, and the subfolder has the same name as the project. Yeah, you can change this if you uncheck this. Yeah, you go on the browse, and you set another location for your Java application. I'm going to check again this. Yeah, and here you can set the JDK, the version of JDK you want to use. In my case, I'm going to use JDK 11 because this is the last stable version, which is LTC, long-term support by Oracle. But if you have multiple JDK installed in your computer, you just go on this arrow and choose another JDK version you want to make your Java applications. Here, this one is by default checked by Eclipse. Create separate folders for sources and class files. Anyone, I think, wants a separate folder for their project, so it's a good idea to leave it like that. And that's all. And after, click on Finish button. This will lead you to this window. It is about discourage the module name. Don't bother yourself about this window. Don't complicate your life, because we are going to do just a simple Java application. So click on Don't Create. Yeah. Alright, so here you go. This is our project, first app. Click on this arrow to expand this, and click on this folder src. Right click, select New, select Class to create a main class. We need a main class because the main class will contain the main method. Any Java applications must have a main method, because all Java application is run through main method. Yeah, so click on class, and here write the name of the class, which can be the same as your project. First up, yeah, make sure this public is checked here, yeah. Come here down and check this public static void main, yeah, to have automatically contained in your source code the main method. If you don't check this, if you leave it unchecked, you have to write manually the main method, yeah. So I'm going to leave it checked, yeah, and click on finish. Here you go. This is our source code, yeah. We have here a public class named first up. Inside the main class we have this main method, which has these modifiers public, static, void, the name of the method main, and two parameters, a string and args. As I told you, any Java application must have this main method, because they are run through this main method. Inside the curly brackets of this main method, we will write the code, yeah. So I'm going to write a very simple code. I'm going to use the system class dot out dot and print line to display in console a text. You can select the print line method from here, from this list, yeah. Inside the parentheses I'm going to type double quotes, and here I'm going to write hello exclamation sign, and on another line I'm going to write the same statement. I'm going to copy this first with Ctrl+C and paste it with Ctrl+V, and here inside the parentheses I'm going to write the name of my YouTube channel, IT Tutorials. Alright, okay. As you probably noticed, each Java statement is terminated by a semicolon, so pay attention for this. Now, if you want to run this first Java applications, either you go here on the menu, select Run, and click on Run, or you can use Ctrl plus F11, or you can use this arrow here, this icon, yeah, click on it, and here is our project. Click on OK button, and here is the result of our first Java application, hello, and under this hello, another text it.tutorials, because I used this method print line, which makes after display a string or object to be terminated, and if I'm going to use again, as I did here, this method print line, the new text or object will be displayed on another line, yeah, as it appears here in a console. Alright, so that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.